What do you think's in that box, Hoya? What do you think? I think it's too big to go under the tree. You think we should open it? Should we open it? Should we open the box? Huh? Hoya? You want to open it? You want to open it? You want to open the box? Let's open it. Let's see what's in here. Ready? What's in that box? What's in that box, Hoya? Bonnie, you want to come see what's in the box? Let's get it out. Oh, good grief. What is that? What is that, Hoya? What is that? What is it? What is that? Did you get a new bed? Did you get a new bed, Hoya? Uh-oh. What's that? What is that cool new thing? You like it? It's a big fluffy bed, huh? Bonnie, come look at the new bed. Hoya likes the new bed? Oh, you do. Is it your new favorite? What's in this box? Hoya, there's another box right here. What do you think is in it? Should we see? Oh, you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? Yeah, let's get in this box. Oh, let's get in this box. Let's get in here. Yeah. Let's get in this box and see. Oh, what is this big thing? Looks awfully suspicious. Holy moly. It's enormous. Let's open it up. Uh-oh, it's getting air in there. It's growing. Get up, Clyde. Get up. Come in. Get up. Clyde, I have to get it off before you decide to lay on it. Well, Clyde won't get off. He thinks it's bed already. Come on, buddy. Come on, Clyde. Clyde. Move, move, move. Come on. Let's get it out of the packaging. Clyde, get off. Get off, Clyde. There's no way. This is my new bed. Get off. You gotta get off, buddy. Come on. Come on. Let me get it out. Jeez Louise. Psycho. There. What's this bed? What's that bed? Oh, is that even better? Oh no, Hoya's got two beds. Hoya's got two beds now. What's he gonna do? Oh, this is Clyde's bed. Are you claiming it, buddy? Are you claiming this bed as your own? Oh no. Is this your favorite, Hoya? Well, Merry Christmas, buddy. Early. Is that the best? Oh, what about the other bed? Yeah, is that your favorite? Hoya, go get the other bed. What's this bed over here? What's this bed? Oh, I see another bed right here. Oh, look at this bed. Oh, you like that bed too? Yeah? Is that your new bed? Where's Clyde's bed? That's Clyde's bed, huh? No? You gonna snuggle with Hoya? Oh, but that's not snuggling. Well, Merry Christmas, puppies. This is what you get. It's early because they won't fit underneath the tree with my lights out.